If you're looking for some awesome universal fit accessories for your shop vac, then stay tuned. We have a couple of good ones from the Milwaukee brand. This is their new Air Tip lineup. And then we'll also be comparing that to the good old rigid car detailing accessory pack. So the first one up, guys, I have actually talked about this in a past video a while back, but this one is a kit and it comes in at $39.97. Now, why is this thing so cool? Well, it comes with your universal adapter that fits a ton of different sizes of hoses. So no matter what brand you're using, you don't have to worry about, is this thing actually going to fit? There's actually a couple, let's see here. It'll show exactly what it fits. It fits a 1 1/4 inch, 1 7/8 inch, and a 2 1/2 inch. So I haven't come across any others that are one of those sizes. So just know you're covered. Now, along with this little adapter, you get all of these extensions that allow you to reach any single part in a vehicle that you need, right? So depending on, obviously, this is gonna get into the tightest spots, but it's also the most narrow diameter. So if you're trying to suck up anything big, this won't work. So you have to kind of work within that balance. But they give you, gosh, how many different attachments here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then plus this, guys. So a 6-piece kit here, and like I said, it's phenomenal. I use this thing all the time to access way deep beneath the seats. Let's see here, what else? Right along the side of the seats as well, into cup holders, all that kind of good stuff. These things are fantastic. As you can see, this is the part that just attaches to your vacuum hose. And then these are a simple put on and then twist to lock into place. And you have these awesome, really, really long alien finger extensions that you can actually get into stuff where you can't reach with others. And as I said, this is $39.97, but I think that the value is there because they give you so many different options. And they also give you this awesome carrying kit so you don't lose them, right? So you can actually just get everything back in here, zip it up, and you're good to go. So you never have to worry about where those tips are. Now, next up is going to be this guy here, and this is a 2-in-1 utility brush. Let me go ahead and pop this thing open really quickly. So why I love this one, I actually just bought this one, but I also have one that I've been using in the past, is it's a 2-in-1. So you can use this just as your basic kind of overall tip for vacuuming up the floor mats and all that kind of stuff. But when you need a brush attachment, for getting into the items that need a little bit of an agitation, maybe some of the air vents or things like that, you don't want to use it on anything too soft like the piano black accessories. The bristles aren't soft enough for that. They're decently soft, but not soft enough. You could cause scratching for sure. But basically all you do is slide that piece forward like so, locks into place, and you're good to go. You can use it with the brush attachment. So really, really easy and useful. I like this a lot because it saves me time. I don't have to switch between different nozzle tips. I can just use this thing and get it all done. However, I will say this isn't my go-to tip. The go-to tip is just my basic crevice tool. That's the one I use the most, but this is awesome to have as a backup. And again, same connection point here, so it fits all those 3 different sizes, so you're never in a worry. Now this one retails for $19.97 or 99 cents, something like that, right about 20 bucks. And you may be thinking that's a little bit high, and I do agree with you. The construction on these is fantastic. Definitely leaps and bounds above some of the others. So the value is there. However, just within this kit from Rigid, this is their car detailing kit, you get the 10-foot hose, which is fantastic. Whoa! And as you can see here, it's a smaller diameter than what comes with a normal a rigid shop vac. But as you can see, plugs straight on, stays on, nice and secure. You have to pull it off pretty good, so fits really nice and easily. However, if you're looking for something that has a brush attachment, this kit at 55 bucks comes with a hose and a bunch of different attachments. So you actually get 2 different brush attachments, one stiffer and one softer. So it's up to you, right? Does it make sense to buy this tool? For me, it saves a little bit of time. I do like that. These ones I tend to lose just because they're so many different pieces. And then you also do get that crevice tool as well. So in comparison to this, right, you get a little bit wider of a nozzle here. I will say, I think that the construction of the Milwaukee ones is slightly better. It's like a more premium, kind of thicker plastic versus the rigid one is. But I've never had any issue with these at all. So is this a little bit of a redundancy in making it a little bit thicker? Possibly, because these always do the job perfectly fine. Now the last one that I have actually here in front of me is this one here, and this is the tool that I use the most, right? This is my go-to, even when I'm vacuuming larger surfaces, just the floor mats and things like that. This is typically where I land, and I'm just using this because it's on my vacuum and I'm going. going to work with it. So this is your basic crevice tool. What I like about this one so much is the heavy duty construction once again, and then a rubberized tip that can bend and get into places. So a lot of times when you're going into, the side between the door sill and the car seat, sometimes there's stuff that kind of falls in there a little bit and you can bend it under and get to stuff that you wouldn't be able to normally get to. So I really, really like this. The nice thing is the adjustable, not adjustable, but the bendable tip is very, very long on this one, right? So you get a good bend. This thing retails again for $19.97 or 99 cents, something like that. And I love this thing. However, again, just to show both sides, the one from Rigid right here retails, if you're just to buy this by itself, it's $15.97, so $3 more for this guy. And I will say the value there, I think if you're just buying this tool or this tool, I'd go here. It's a crazy construction. You don't have to worry about the size. It's gonna fit all your different shop vacs that you have, any hose that you have. And as you can see, the rubberized portion of it is much larger on the Milwaukee. The Rigid, though, is bendable as well, so awesome there, no problems. I will say, though, I have had this break down over time, but this one I haven't been using as much. I haven't used it as long as these guys. The one that I've been using, I haven't had any issues with, but it's a rubberized piece. I could see it failing over time, regardless of which one you go with. Let's see here, though. Let's see the bendability of it. Pretty crazy, right? All the way over, okay? And then on this guy, it's there, but it's starting to pinch. So you're gonna lose suction there. Versus this one, it's not pinching. So quality of construction, I would say the Milwaukee is better. For $3 more, if you're just looking at this or this, I would definitely go with the Milwaukee. However, if you're looking at buying this kit, you don't need to get the Milwaukee stuff because it comes with this one, and this one works great. Like I said, I use it all the time. I have had the plastic fail over time, but not a big deal really, all right? You can always upgrade it down the road, and when you do upgrade it, you can go to the Milwaukee at that point. Again, it fits this hose that this kit comes with, so you're good to go. Now, along with all these Milwaukee Air Tips, they have tons and tons of other ones as well. So I'm gonna link those down in the description for you guys so you can check them out. They have some really, really cool accessories. They actually have an M12 version of a brush-powered upholstery tool, which is awesome. It's like $80 or something like that, and I personally don't have any M12 batteries, so I didn't get that. I was like, well, it's really cool, but for my needs, I don't think I need it. But if you're like at home with a staircase or something like that, that brush is gonna help to agitate everything and lift it out as you're vacuuming. So I think that's really cool. They also have some pieces that can suction on if you're doing any drywall work or screwing in, you don't want all the drywall to fall down. It'll suck that up. Really, really cool lineup from Milwaukee. I think it's awesome that they made this whole Air Tip lineup. But these ones are definitely the ones that I use the most. These are the ones that I would go to. Mostly, actually, this guy and then the extension kit of all the long little alien fingers in this package. This one I think is a great all-around piece as well. It's just, again, I don't use this one nearly as much as my standard upholstery or crevice tool. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to bring this stuff to your attention. I'm gonna link some other awesome vacuum accessories. I actually made a whole video on that in the past on how to save the cost of your filters and all that kind of good stuff. So I'm gonna link that up here as well as down in the description. But that's it for today's video. I want to say thank you to all of you. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.